Good audio is a basic requirement for effective collaboration in conference rooms, and it's equally important whether you're using video or audio conferencing. This has become even more important as we increasingly meet remotely. Without audio clarity, even calls involving small groups can be unclear for far-side participants. But what does it take to tangibly improve audio quality in your meeting rooms? Our team takes a closer look and shares some ways in which you can upgrade to high-quality sound in your conference rooms. First, let's examine the common problems with room audio. While there are several types of audio deficiencies that may occur in a conference room, there are some that are far too common in many work environments. A. Picking up unnecessary noises. In some cases, unnecessary elements of background noise are audible or get amplified. This may be external sound leaking into the room or the pickup of undesirable noise from within the room itself. Echoes, reverberations, or occasional whistles are other unwanted sounds which can find their way into your audio and lead to a drop in clarity. B. Variable audibility of some participants. In other cases, comments by some participants may be missed or clipped and lead to misunderstandings or require repetition, which break the flow of these meetings and reduces their effectiveness. Some participants may be more audible than others whose audio is not being picked up correctly. C. Sound delays at the far side. In some setups, the far side audio may be delayed and arrive out of sync with the video. This delay may be caused by data congestion in your network. Making sure that the audio and video timings are corrected and in sync is important for a more realistic video conferencing experience. D. Low audio levels at the near and far end. Here the issue is not the quality of the sound but the volume levels themselves, which makes speech in particular difficult to understand. So how can we address these problems effectively and achieve better audio performance? Our top 5 tips for better conference room audio is as follows. While you can achieve significant improvements to audio performance by addressing a couple of factors, it's much more rewarding to take a more holistic view of the audio performance in your conference room. Number 1. Better audio pickup. One of the best places to begin when it comes to addressing audio quality is the source of the sound itself, and for the most part, this is where the sound is captured. The type of microphones you choose, the number of them you incorporate, and the way you locate them are critical to the kind of sound quality you can achieve. Tabletop microphones can be a simple and effective solution, but other microphone formats and technologies are also becoming more popular. Ceiling-mounted microphones are extremely effective and improve audio quality without creating clutter. Beam-forming and beam-tracking microphones are also proving to be an effective way to enhance sound performance when combined with a DSP. The microphone pickup patterns can be calibrated to ensure optimal sound capture. Number 2. Better sound management. Digital signal processing or DSPs play an increasingly important role in conference rooms when it comes to tuning audio performance and improving sound management. Think of them as a more active method of sound management and reinforcement which can help eliminate many audio challenges. This could be aspects such as acoustic echoes caused by speakers and noise reduction to eliminate HVAC sounds. They allow sound designers to make use of programmable techniques like automatic mixing, norm-based gain control, audio compression, and audio delay to ensure that the sound quality is improved considerably. Number 3. Better room acoustics. Some aspects of room acoustics may be degrading the audio experience in your conference room. For instance, if your room is being impacted by external sources of noise, traffic on the street, a noisy factory floor, or an adjacent workspace, then you should take steps to overcome these. Sound masking and sound absorption techniques can be employed to eliminate unnecessary noise that echoes and reverberations that make speech difficult to hear and understand. One can also improve the room acoustics by minimizing the use of large, flat, hard surfaces such as glass, which can lead to high sound reverberation and unnecessary sound reflections. Number 4. Better sound transport. Conferencing systems increasingly support HD audio quality, and you should ensure that your system supports it too. Dedicated bandwidth for your conferencing setup is another way to ensure consistent performance. Increasingly, audio-video bridging (AVB) and Dante protocols help transport your signal over the IP network to collaborators anywhere in the world. It is also a good idea to evaluate the bandwidth you have available for conferencing, especially when video is involved. Number 5. Better audio output. While we have stressed the importance of better capture, processing and transport of your sound earlier, the actual delivery at the far end is pretty important too. Intelligent speaker arrays are now incorporated into smart VC soundbars or even available as ceiling mounted units to ensure great audibility when it matters. But for larger conference rooms, more traditional distributed speaker systems are more effective and produce well-balanced sound evenly. A DSP can also play a role here, with the mix minus being applied as a technique to switch off the speaker near your active microphone so it does not cause an echo. When it comes to solving problems related to audio quality, there is no single quick fix that you can apply. Each room should be carefully evaluated to identify the specific issues that may be causing poor audibility, and the solutions we have to employ should be chosen accordingly. Our experience over thousands of projects demonstrates that the impact of the changes we've discussed can be quite substantial during video calls and collaboration. The change in audibility, clarity, and the improvement it brings to the conferencing experience for your collaborating teams will be well worth the trouble. For more information or assistance with improving audio performance in your collaboration spaces, please contact Team Actus.